At Master Power, we believe in powering progress without compromising our planet. Our technologies are designed to reduce emissions, improve efficiency, and minimize environmental impact. Our selective catalytic reduction systems significantly cut harmful NOx emissions, transforming pollutants into clean nitrogen and water vapor. This means cleaner air and a healthier future. Our emission-compliant diesel generators use proven technology to minimize carbon emissions, while maintaining high performance and output, and lowered fuel consumption means a smaller carbon footprint. Energy efficiency matters with our rotary screw air compressors. They use less power compared to traditional models, while preventing wasted energy from moisture buildup, keeping operations clean. Our oil-free air compressors ensure pure, uncontaminated air, best suited for medical and dental applications, while delivering sustainability where it matters most. By eliminating moisture and improving tools and equipment longevity, our air dryers help industries reduce waste and optimize energy use. With every offering, Master Power is driving a cleaner, greener future. Together, let's power sustainability. Master Power, powering progress, sustaining the future.